Hello and welcome back to another amazing video. Today, we're diving into a vehicle that's not just redefining luxury, but also reshaping the future of mobility. Yes, friends, we're talking about the 2026 Audi Urbansphere, Audi's boldest and most futuristic vision yet, blending luxury, innovation, and technology like never before. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Let's start with its design. The Audi Urbansphere has been specifically designed for megacities, offering unmatched space and presence. It's about 5.5 meters long, 2 meters wide, and nearly 1.78 meters tall, an absolute road giant that demands attention wherever it goes. At the front, instead of a traditional grille, you get a sleek, digital panel that changes its visuals based on the car's mood or drive mode. It's a beautiful light show in itself. And guess what? The doors open in opposite directions, just like a Rolls-Royce, creating a grand, lounge-style entrance. Luxury begins even before you step inside. Now, the real magic begins once you step inside. Audi has reimagined the cabin to be a moving lounge, or a mobile office, depending on your need. The interior is built entirely with sustainable materials, making it as eco-friendly as it is luxurious. You'll find massive individual seats that recline up to 60 degrees for maximum comfort. Each seat has its own personal screen for entertainment, work, or even gaming. And forget buttons. Everything is controlled via gestures and voice commands. Audi has focused heavily on personal space, giving each passenger their own environment, whether you want to relax, work, or be entertained. One of the coolest features, a large transparent OLED screen that drops down from the roof, turning the car into a private cinema or meeting room. The Audi Urbansphere is a true technological powerhouse. It offers level for autonomous driving, meaning it can drive itself without any human input under certain conditions. However, if you love driving, the steering wheel and pedals elegantly reappear when needed. It also features an advanced AI personal assistant that understands your mood, schedule, and preferences, adjusting lighting, temperature, music, and even seating accordingly. And get this, the seats are equipped with health monitoring sensors that track your heart rate and stress levels. If the car detects anything unusual, it can send alerts or even connect you to a healthcare professional instantly. Now that's futuristic luxury. Let's talk performance. The Urbansphere is powered by a fully electric dual-motor setup delivering around 400 horsepower and 690 Nm of torque. Can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just about 5 seconds, which is amazing for such a massive vehicle. The battery pack is approximately 120 kilowatt-hours, offering a mind-blowing range of up to 750 kilometers on a single charge. And thanks to 270 kW fast charging, you can juice it up from 5% to 80% in just about 25 minutes. Convenience and power, hand in hand. Friends, the Audi Urbansphere is not just a car, it's a vision of future urban luxury. It's designed for people who want to make every minute of their commute productive, relaxing, or fun. Whether it's hosting a virtual meeting, relaxing with a movie, or simply enjoying a stress-free ride, the Urbansphere promises to transform city mobility forever. So, what do you think about the 2026 Audi Urbansphere? Would you like to see such luxurious and futuristic cars roaming the streets? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want, I can also suggest thumbnail ideas or video title variations to help your video perform better. Would you like me to send some?